Yeah, guys, that's the sound I just woke up to. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's just stupid. Wow. I don't even know where it's coming from.